The 2025 Alto K10 has finally arrived, and it brings a refreshing update to Maruti Suzuki's long-standing entry-level hatchback. Known for its reliability, affordability, and fuel efficiency, the Alto K10 has always been a go-to choice for first-time car buyers and urban commuters. The 2025 model takes this legacy forward with a blend of modern styling, improved features, and better driving dynamics. Visually, the 2025 Alto K10 carries forward the compact silhouette that's perfect for tight city spaces but with enhancements that make it feel more premium. The new front grille with chrome accents, sleeker halogen headlamps, and a subtly sculpted bonnet give the car a bolder stance. The bumper has been redesigned with integrated fog lamp housings and new air intakes for a fresher appeal. At the rear, the taillights remain compact but now feature a sharper design, and the boot lid carries a more refined finish. Inside, the cabin gets a noticeable boost in terms of materials and layout. The dual-tone theme continues, but with more textured surfaces and an upgraded infotainment system at the center of attention. The 7-inch SmartPlay infotainment system now supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, offering seamless smartphone connectivity. The instrument cluster is semi-digital with a more vibrant mid-display that provides vital driving information at a glance. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto K10 continues with its trusted Safar-LITRE 3-cylinder K-series engine. This motor delivers 67 HP and 89 Nm of torque, paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional ANT gearbox. The engine remains peppy and responsive, making it ideal for zipping through city traffic. One of the biggest highlights remains its fuel efficiency, which Maruti claims to be around 25 km/L, making it one of the most economical cars in its class. Maruti has also worked on improving the ride quality and handling. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned for better comfort over broken roads, and the steering feels more responsive during quick lane changes. The lightweight construction contributes to the agile feel, while the improved NVH levels ensure a quieter cabin experience. Safety sees a noticeable bump, too. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and high-speed alert are standard across variants. Higher trims add electronic stability control and hill hold assist, especially in the ANT version, enhancing its appeal to urban drivers and small families. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Alto K10 remains extremely competitive, targeting budget-conscious buyers. With multiple trims and the availability of factory-fitted CNG options, the model caters to a wide audience looking for dependable performance with low running costs. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 manages to stay true to its core values while embracing modern design and tech-savvy features. It's not a revolutionary overhaul, but it doesn't need to be. It continues to be a smart, practical choice for Indian roads, with the added polish that today's customers demand. Whether you are a student, a small family, or someone looking for an efficient second car, the new Alto K10 is hard to overlook.